how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Carnage surprise fold. It's going to be easy for beginners. It's going to be Carnage with a kind of closed mouth and then open up to a kind of like rawr kind of mouth, all right? It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so I'm going to walk you through the entire thing and let's get started, okay? Before that, don't forget hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Marvel characters or anything of the sort in like short formats, like 10-minute drawings, 15-minute drawings. Definitely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I go over other stuff too. Go over Pokemon, go over SpongeBob, I go over Godzilla, I go over like everything you can think about, everything you suggest. So definitely suggest some in the comments, all right? Definitely hit the subscribe, helps everybody out here. So I'm gonna grab a piece of paper right here, and for the surprise fold, and I'm going to fold it in half. Take your paper, fold it in half here. Oops, marker's floating over here. Move these things around. Alright, cool, got that out of the way. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to refold it again. Right, I'm going to fold it in half one more time. Good doke. So we got something like this, and we're gonna start working on something like this right here. All right. Let's grab my marker and let's get started on this. The first thing I'm gonna do for Carnage is I'm gonna start drawing the front of his head over here. He's gonna look sideways, and I'm gonna have the front of his face like so, right? And I'm gonna keep pulling down here, and I'm gonna pull through it a little bit. Down to the chin area. And I'm gonna pull back here. Angle the jaw. Curve over here, back of the head. It's going to pull down. Over here, back of the neck. Pulling down. Maybe the chest over here comes out. Let's go into his eye. Carnage is, I'll put his eye over here maybe, like around a little bit higher up. Because what I want to do is I want to draw his teeth right here. So I'm going to do this. Well, actually, let's draw his teeth first. I'm going to draw a zigzag on our line here. Okay, and I'm going to try to do a zigzag on the line itself. So just kind of, be careful with that. You might have to do a little bit slower than normal just to kind of make it read right over this folded line here, because there's probably tension on it. It's hard to kind of do that. Line over here, and one more over here. There you go. So now you got his teeth. Now he's just chilling out. Going over here, pulling up, well, on the eye, and I'm gonna draw a zigzag up for the top of the eye, kind of like he's gonna look like he's got flames on his eye a little bit, because it's just kind of the chaoticness of the symbiote. Pull over here. Underneath, the bottom's going to be a little bit more stable. Draw a line down here, maybe a line down here for the like back of the neck. You can there's striations normally around Carnage. You get striations around his body, right? You can draw these lines. Normally I tell you to fill in the teeth, but I'm not going to do it for this one. So now we're going to open up the fold here. Okay, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to continue those teeth down here, right? I'm going to finish off those teeth. See those teeth there? Finish off up there. Pull that all the way down here. He's got this wild, he'll really stretch out. Venom will kind of stretch out, but he will really, really stretch out. Finish the teeth on the bottom here. Right? And then now you have like he's got this wild thing going on where you can draw a tongue, although he doesn't really normally have the huge long tongue. But he will also, I'm gonna just like thicken that out, right, for the tongue. But he's also got like this weirdo. He's got like, it doesn't look. Hopefully, it doesn't look like throw up or nothing. But he's got like stuff coming off him. Actually, I gotta do this too up here. He will always, since his symbiote is way more chaotic, he'll have little bits of him, like little liquidy parts coming off him, even down here. So that'd be a good idea. And I'm going to throw that over here as well, coming off him a little bit. But I don't want it to look, well, we know that already. It doesn't, it's not like he's belching or anything. We know who he is, so there's no reason, I guess. We know exactly who Carnage is. And then just draw a lot of this stuff, random liquidy stuff. It's just going to come out, and it's trying to get, whoever it is, right? And what I'm going to do behind all this, right, whatever random shapes I threw in there for liquid, I'm going to go over here and draw, maybe from over here on this side, the back of the mouth, like a layer. See, kind of going through here. I'm going to follow through. Just going to slowly make my way over here. Right? And I'm going to fill that back of that mouth in as much as I can anyway. Maybe over here. Over here as well, just filling that in because that's what's going to give it contrast, and it's going to make it a lot more readable when you do that. It's going to read better to the viewer when you're filling in the back there. And then over here, back of the neck, back of the head here, rolling down there. See, rolling down there, rolling down there. If you want, you can throw little lines over here, right? Over the stretching of that mouth there. I forgot about this too. You can throw little like thin lines right here all over the place. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color it real quick, all right? That one I'm going to just blast right through and speed it up. But what I want you to do, actually, let's just do that together, I think. Can't we do it together? Yeah. Because he's all red. I'm just going to straight up grab this red and just do it everywhere. So definitely hit the like button if you can. It's not easy to do these fold out drawings. They're pretty hard, I think, to me anyway. Maybe to some people will do them quick, but I mean, I think they're pretty hard. Definitely hit the like button. Trying to do more stuff for the channel, vary it up. Over here, I might leave a little bit of that open for some highlight on the outside. He's a little different than Venom because Venom's completely black, so he's like all highlight, right? He's got a huge highlight. For Carnage, it's not as much, but I will leave a highlight over here, like a white strip on the right side. And the reason I'm using marker is because it's just quicker. You can use colored pencil and take your time. You can use crayon, you can use whatever you like, and but like I said, for marker, it's just quicker as far as like a demonstration goes for YouTube, and that's the reason why I'm using it. Like right now, see, leaving that highlight over there on the right. And I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna leave a lot of edges over here exposed, I think, because I want to be able to see different parts of it. I also think it just kind of looks better in many ways. Right, let's go to the edge of this tongue over here. But yeah, if you're interested in learning more from me, if you like the way I teach, go to my Skillshare. That is the best thing you can do. That is all the basics over there. So if you don't know the basics yet, like how to draw the head, the body, the anatomy, I even have anime over there and all the fun stuff like or how to use ballpoint pen. If you want to learn any of that, go over there right now and you get a free month basically, uh, like completely free. You could just like sign up, use the free month, never pay anything, and just kind of cancel the you know the subscription to Skillshare, and you just never get charged. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend that because that's what I've done. Not to be like a cheapskate or anything. And there you go. See ya.